Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Scarfinger, and today I am going to be making a painting for the big game. Apparently, I'm supposed to call it the big game because there's a copyright on the actual name of the big game. So for now, we're just going to call it the big game. Well, so I'm going to make a painting with the two teams, the Patriots and the Rams, and so to make the teams, I mixed up a few colors. Now, they both share the color blue, but I wanted to make the blues a little bit different. I'm going to make one on each side. I've seen a couple people do this already, so this isn't very original. But so for the Patriots, I decided to go with the Aquamarine blue and the permanent red. I'm going all Master's Touch today. In the middle, there's going to be white because there's white on each side. And I might actually put a strip of white down the middle depending on how much white I have. And for the blue for the Rams, I decided to go with a kind of a deeper blue. So I went Phalo blue on that one. And the weird thing about the Rams is the colors. Sometimes they're lighter colors, sometimes they're darker colors. Sometimes, especially for the yellow, sometimes it's gold, sometimes it's whatever. So I did a mixture of these two, which is yellow medium and yellow ochre, which basically kind of gave me the color that I was looking for. I don't love it, because in some cases it's actually like gold, but for these purposes, I'm gonna go with that. So give me a minute. I'm gonna get everything straight for the rest of it, and we're gonna go ahead and make us a painting. Big game. close up. This is the final product. Looks like my white started to eat through a little bit on each side, but not as bad as that side. One of the biggest problems that I thought I was going to have, I had a little bit, but not a whole lot, that I would get some green from this side and some purple out of this side. There's a little bit, but there's not enough to really worry about. So let's just take a look. Let's take a look at the ram side. You can see the white is eating through there. I like the white line in the middle separating them. That's really dope. And yeah, swirled with some little wavies down there. Most of this on the Patriot side is pretty wavy. And I got a little bit of purple like right there. Right there is where the purple is, but not a whole lot. And you can see in here there's a little bit of green, but not enough to really be that concerned about. But all in all, I wanted to do something for the big game, and I like it. So there you have it. Facebook.com/PTCAC. I'll let you boy. Peace.